Hi, my name is Zarina. Today we are going to look at argumentative essay. Okay, over here I've got a sample question for y'all. Let's take a look at that. Examinations should be banned as they cause stress. Now before we go any further into how we can handle this question, the first question you must ask yourself is, how do you know an essay question is argumentative? Okay, there's a few ways, alright? Now the first thing you got to find out is the criteria to identify argumentative. Why? Because in your essays there will be two types of composition. One will be factual based and the other one will be creative. Under factual based there's two types. One is argumentative and the other one is a discussion based essay. So you have to know the difference because both of them require a different structure to write. So the criteria to identify your argumentative is the question always has a stand. Okay, what do I mean by having a stand? Look at this question. Examinations should be banned. That is what I mean by a stand. Or if you want to make it simpler, you can say a viewpoint. Okay, this is a negative viewpoint. They're saying the exams should be banned. Alright, that's the first way to identify that. And the second one is they will never ask you things like, they will not have words like this in the question. Okay, they won't have that advantages. They can also use things like pros, cons, disadvantage. They also will not have words like discuss. They won't have all these words, okay? So that's something you can use to identify. Will not have words like this. Okay. Okay, they won't have these words. So if you have these two, it satisfies these two criteria, you know that the question you're looking at is an argumentative. Alright, so once you identify that, then it's easy for you to go into the structure of it. Make sure you know that they don't ask you for this. Why? If they ask you for this, you're talking about discussion based essay. Usually in an argumentative, they don't want you to discuss the topic broadly. They want you to argue. They want you to talk about your viewpoint. So that's how it will be. It should be banned as they cause stress. Then you sit down and you come up with a structure. So the next part of the lesson, I'm going to teach you how you can actually structure the argumentative essay.